Lina was a small market girl who loved to think her way through hard problems. Her family's bakery had become quiet and worried because the recipe scroll for a very important loaf had gone missing from the magical library. Without that recipe, the bread never rose quite right, and the shop window stayed too empty. Lina tucked her hands into her sturdy green apron and decided she would find the scroll herself. "I can do this," she said softly, and her bright eyes shone with hope. At the great magical library, the doors rose high above Lina like a storybook castle. Inside, the shelves shifted a little when she blinked, as if the books were keeping their own quiet secrets. The head librarian listened carefully when Lina explained her quest. "The scroll is not lost," the librarian said. "It is misplaced by misunderstanding, and only someone who understands the true nature of these paths can find it." Lina nodded, even though the words felt puzzling, and she stepped forward with brave, careful steps. Lina entered the hallway of whispers, and the air seemed full of half-finished thoughts. A voice from the left murmured that the scroll was near the blue lanterns. Another voice from above said it was beside the tall atlas. A third voice claimed it had been moved before lunch, but not by a reader. Lina stopped in the middle of the moving corridor, trying to sort the voices like tangled ribbons. Lina chose one voice that sounded certain and followed its direction past a row of silver bookstands. She hurried around a bend, expecting to see the scroll waiting there. Instead, the hallway curved once more and placed her right back where she had started. Lina frowned, hands on her hips, because the voices had not lied, but they had not helped her either. Lina sat on the cool floor and decided to stop chasing the loudest voice. She listened instead to how each whisper sounded. One voice was urgent, as if it wanted to be first. One voice was hesitant, as if it remembered only part of the story. One phrase repeated again and again, but always skipped the reason the scroll had been moved. Then Lina's eyes brightened, because the pattern finally made sense. The scroll was not hidden because of its words. It had been moved because someone had misunderstood where it belonged. The whispers were not pointing to a place on the map, but to the gaps left by their own missing pieces. Lina realized that the truth was shaped by what each voice left out, not only by what it said. She stood up with a small gasp of excitement and turned toward the quiet side passage no one had mentioned. Lina followed the empty spaces between the clues, choosing the hallway where the voices had been strangely silent. The path led her to a small, overlooked nook beside a window of moonlight glass. There, resting neatly on a low shelf, lay the missing recipe scroll. Lina smiled, because the answer had been hiding in the place everyone else had ignored. She lifted the scroll carefully and held it close to her chest. When Lina returned the scroll, her family's bakery seemed to breathe again. The head librarian studied her kindly and gave a pleased nod. "You did more than find a lost scroll," the librarian said. "You saw the shape of a harder truth." Then the librarian invited Lina to become a special truth seeker for the library, and Lina's heart felt as full as a warm oven on baking day. That evening, she carried the scroll home, ready to help both books and bread rise again. The end.